Hi everyone, it's Kev from TDN. Just going through our long-awaited corner bracket. It's been under design for quite some time. We finally got the finished article here. So this one is displayed with an iPad or an iPhone holder as well, which is just here, so it's got plenty of articulation. And it fits to the corner of any of the TDN tool carts. What you'll notice here is there's two little raised bumps here. These actually sit inside the extrusion around the side of the cart, just in here. Okay, so I'll just pop this on this corner here. So I'm just going to lay it over and then do the thrust pad up at the bottom. Okay, hasn't got to be done too tight, say, because it has got those two locating pins in there. So now that's nice, and I mean, it's literally finger tight. It's really, really solid on there. Okay, now gives us the ability to put any of the iPads. This will actually go out quite some wide. It will fit an iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air, or any of the most mobile phones will also fit in there as well, whichever way you want it. Can move around to wherever you need. But then we also have this tray. So on the side here, this stainless rod. It goes down, just nip that up. And then on the Mark II TDN, this foam here is obviously square. This has been designed just to fit in there for easy transportation. So all we're going to do is pop our two washers, one inside and one outside, and then just screw that in to the top there. All right. Now, what that allows us to do is it will allow us to rotate this, should we need to, without chewing up the stainless steel rod here. All right, so we can raise and lower that to wherever we want. Pop this back down. Okay, and this has also been designed. These are our newest brackets. You notice the new ones, they have this Dutch fold on. This is just where this metal has been wound back on itself, so it just enables a more snug fit. But if you notice, there is one smaller bracket, and that's the one that's going to go on here. So this is going to be the one for your tight access tools and smaller whale tails. So that enables to fit here, purely and simply so don't end up overloading the top of this. Obviously it's designed just to be, more for a glue pulling and for a lighter style hammer. So your hammer will go on there. If you want the glue gun holder, that'll all fit in there. Obviously try and weight these fairly evenly, but that'll just enable us to go, if we're working on top of a larger car, Range Rover or something like that, and we're working off a quick bench, it just enables us to get that bit of extra height. So yeah, that's the new corner bracket and all the accessories available now, and I hope you'll find this a very useful addition to your TDN tool carts.